Hello and welcome to another short video from Cato Networks. ZTNA delivers secure, granular access for enterprise users. But what about BYOD, contractors, and temporary users? More than 30% of devices connecting to enterprise networks are unmanaged, and many organizations still rely on VPNs to secure access for those users. VPNs were never built for agility or modern security. IT needs a better way. What if you could extend ZTNA to unmanaged devices? Without the IT complexity of a new enterprise product or the friction of installing a full client on a contractor's device. With Cato Browser Extension, it's possible. Let's see how. Let's demonstrate using the Chrome browser. To install the extension, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Cato Chrome Extension. Click Add to Chrome and confirm. That's it. No admin rights or software installs required. Next, the user will authenticate to the browser extension. When you click the extension, the user is prompted to log in, either with credentials or via single sign-on, depending on your setup. Once authenticated, access policies are enforced immediately based on user identity and risk context, and it's the same security that users have with the Cato client or behind a Cato socket. Secure access for unmanaged devices in under 2 minutes. That's it. The Cato Browser Extension gives you secure, policy-based access control with zero client deployment. Fast for users, simple for IT, seamless with your Cato environment. Be sure to check out our website for more information. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.